Now let's take a look at this figure 23-16. And we're figuring the final load, the seventh load, largest motor. Now notice in load number 5 to the left of the illustration, we have a 10 horse, 20 horse, 25 horse, 480 volt, or excuse me, 460 volt three-phase motors. And then we have the load number 4, which was our industrial compressor motors, 35, 45, 460 volt three-phase. Then we have load number 5. We have a 30 horsepower motor, 460 volt three-phase. And load number 6 now is the air conditioner, which comes up to 7 amps, 460 volt three-phase, when we divide the voltage into the 4.5, kVA that we have there times 1,000. Now, notice we have to choose the largest. So when we go through this, the largest motor we're going to have there would be the compressor motor load, which is 45 amps. So we would come in and apply in the quick count 2, 430.24, 220.50, as well as 220.14C, and 45 amps times 25% is 11.25 amp that would be added into the other 6 loads that we calculated. The 11.25 then would be added to all the other loads as I just quoted. Now, quick count 1, if we didn't want to use the 25% in that 7th load, then we could come up and just take 125% of 45 amps. We come up with 56. But notice the largest motor, which was 30 horsepower, is not considered the largest load because the compressor load in number 4 at 45 amps overshadowed it. It was larger. So when we do the calculation then, in the calculating the largest load, for the largest motor, then 430.6A1 again refers us to 430.250, the table, and 30 horse is 40, the compressor is 45. So now see, we're taking the 30 horse in load 5, load 4, the compressor, we're comparing them, and we take the air conditioner, and which one would be the largest? Well, we're going to naturally have the 45. So we take 100% of 40, 40, 100% of 45 is 45, 100% of 7 amps is 7. So 220.50 along with 430.6A1, then 430.24, 45 amps would be the largest. So we would come in then and the solution, and our largest motor would be from load number 4 there. And so the largest motor is 45 amps, and of course that's in load 4. And then, of course, 23-2 for loads 4, 5, and 6. We could, look those up and on those page numbers from Stallcup's Electrical Design Book, Volume 2, looking at your chapter 23. But this figure 23-16 is just illustrating how to determine the largest motor using the 7-load concept.